To explain the property of exponents, I'm going to write this out the long way and then also show you a shortcut. If I write this piece right here, it's x to the fourth, so there's 4 x's and there's 3 y's. If I write this piece right here, there's 2 x's and 2 y's. So my final answer is I want to know how many total x's do I have? Well, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And how many total y's do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So my final answer is x to the 6th, y to the 5th. The rule states if I have the same bases, so for example, my x's, then I can add the exponents, 4 plus 2. Y's, 3 plus 2, which is x to the 6th, y to the 5th. So here's another way to explain that answer. Next problem, we're going to start with the zero property. Anything to the zero property becomes the number 1. So what I have here, I'm going to rewrite what I have right now, is negative 2, 5x squared to the 2nd power. So I'm going to show you 2 ways to do this. The long way. Negative 2, I'm going to take this base, 5x squared, and do it 2 times. So if I write that all the way out, it's negative 2, 5xx, 5xx. So negative 2 times 5, that gives me negative 10 times 5, which is negative 50. And a total of 1, 2, 3, 4 x's. So there's my final answer. Or, here's another way to do it. I can distribute this. So I have negative 2, 5 squared, power to a power. I like to say pow, pow, multiply now. Which gives me negative 2 times 25x to the 4th. And my final answer is negative 50x to the 4th. So either way. Last problem. When I have division, we're going to be asked to have positive exponents always. I like to say if you cross the line, you change the sign only to exponent. So I'm going to look at this exponent. It's negative on the top, so if I cross the line and change the sign. B is already positive, so I'm going to leave it. The C exponent is negative, so if I cross the line and bring it up to the top, I change the sign. D is already positive. And I have no common letters, so there's my final answer. So to do this next problem, I'm going to do one piece at a time. I'm going to leave the top for just right now. The bottom, I'm going to distribute by pow, pow, multiply now. So my next step, all my positive exponents are going to change, or stay. My negative 1 is going to cross the line and change the sign. So my final answer here is going to be, these are alike, so I'm going to add them. So I have y to the 17th. Now I have x's top and bottom. Do I have more x's on the top or more x's on the bottom? Well, I have more x's on the top, so I'm going to leave them there. How many more do I have? Well, I have 4 more. What I just did is I took the smaller one and I subtracted the exponent. This will give me x to the 0, which is 1. 12 minus 8 is 4. So my final answer is x to the 4th, y to the 17th.